The Hyderabad Central University has revoked the suspension of the 4 research scholars. The Executive Council had earlier suspended these students. Their suspension has now been revoked. Students have welcomed the decision but haven't withdrawn their agitation. The Vice-Chancellor of the university has appealed for calm. Meanwhile, the fact-finding committee set up by the centre is said to have completed its probe. It's expected to submit its report soon to the ministry.
The Executive Council of the Hyderabad Central University decided to revoke the suspension of 4 students on Thursday, against whom action was taken along with research scholar Rohit Vemulu, who committed suicide on the 17th of this month. The university said it took the decision with immediate effect in view of the extraordinary situation that had developed over the last few days in the campus.
Executive Committee under the chairmanship of the Vice Chancellor, Professor Apparao, convened a meeting in the morning. It lasted around up to 1 o'clock, and they have taken a decision to revoke the suspension of these students completely.
The fact-finding committee set up by the centre's Human Resource Development Ministry is also said to have completed its probe. It's expected to submit its report soon at the ministry. HRD Minister Smriti Irani had put forth certain facts related to the case on Wednesday, saying the matter is being politicized unnecessarily. Thursday saw protesting students getting more support from different political parties. Delhi Chief Minister and AAP leader Arvind Kejriwal got himself counted among the string of leaders like Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi, who visited the university's campus, adding to the chorus among political parties of quick action in delivering justice in the case.
हम लोग चाहते हैं कि इसकी एक निष्पक्ष और स्वतंत्र एजेंसी से इसकी पूरी जांच की जाए, ताकि तथ्य सामने आए, फैक्ट सामने आए कि हकीकत में क्या ऐसे कारण रहे कि रोहित को इतना बड़ा कदम उठाना पड़ा, उसको सुसाइड तक करना पड़ा।
रोहित वेमुला के परिवार को एक नौकरी और उचित मुआवजा प्रदेश और केंद्रीय सरकार के द्वारा दिया जाना चाहिए और इस पूरे मामले की जांच हाई कोर्ट के एक सिटिंग न्यायाधीश के द्वारा होनी चाहिए।
हम खुद इस बात को महसूस करते हैं कि इस तरह की घटनाएं नहीं होनी चाहिए, लेकिन उसको जो है वो पॉलिटिकल पर्यटन का एक कारण बना लिया जाए, और कभी जो है वो युवराज घूम आते हैं वहां पर, कभी और लोग चले जाते हैं, तो वो लोगों के जख्मों पे मरहम नहीं लगाने जा रहे हैं, वो और नमक छिड़कने जा रहे हैं।
अगर किसी के साथ अन्याय हुआ है तो वो चाहे दलित है चाहे नॉन दलित है, इसकी हम घोर आलोचना करते हैं।
The matter, which began with a clash between 2 groups of students, has been snowballing into a political controversy since Rohit's suicide. Now an ABVP student activist, Sushil Kumar, has come forward and spoken to the media about how the entire clash unfolded, seeking an impartial probe into the entire episode.
We have filed a case in the High Court also. So based on the High Court orders, the university has acted according to it, and they have gone through a fair inquiry and they have delivered the justice, and they have also decreased the punishment in the Executive Council meeting, for which we did not even oppose. There should be a fair inquiry into it, and whoever the culprit is, let it be me, let it be anyone, the culprit should be punished.
Following Rohit's suicide, the university's Vice-Chancellor has clarified that he was under no pressure to take any action after the clash, and all steps were taken in accordance with rules. The HRD Ministry has also said that it has no influence over the internal affairs of the university, and the disciplinary action taken against the research scholar who committed suicide was the university's internal matter. But the issue has been politicized to such an extent that the outcome of the legal process in this case has been predetermined even before it has been put to trial. Newsnight Desk,